Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much Novomed family for sending me lots of food supplements for adults like me and of course for baby Aiden or Aiden. No? So yes, pwede po siya sa mga kids and sa adults. So ito, iisa-isahin ko sa inyo ang laki ng kanyang package. Very presentable. Perfect gift for your family. No? So lalagay ko ang kanilang Facebook and Instagram account, yung Novomed kasi very FDA approved ang kanilang mga food supplements, mga vitamins, ayan. So, makikita nyo, meron note dito, babasahin ko muna. Ang nakalagay is, Dear, my name, no, Abigail Ching or Sherlyn, kasi yun talaga yung totoong name ko. Happy holidays from your Novomed family. Thank you. We are honored and excited to be one of your trusted partners in your fervent desire to safeguard the health and wellness of your family in these dire times. Supplementing the health needs of your loved ones is our utmost priority. Wow, thank you naman. You can be assured our products are specifically engineered to generate energy and restore mood. O, diba? And you can be assured our products are specifically engineered to generate energy and restore muscle. Just like Moringa, improve skin elasticity. So, yun yung Theon. Double the antioxidant defense system, Theon Plus, and supplement child's mental. Wow! So, visual and motor development needs while remaining light on the budget. So, thank you, stay safe, and take care. God bless you and your family always. Sincerely, Novomed Incorporation. Wow, thank you so much, Novomed. Ang cute, very simple lang yung nilang package, pero yes, matchy-matchy din sa aking dress, no? So, yeah, mag-unbox ako. Pakita ko sa inyo, and yeah, I'll be back later. Thank you! So, ito yung first product which is yung ZGF syrup na para sa ating mga babies. So, para to sa Chlorella growth, para po to sa Chlorella growth factor. May kasama siyang taurine, tapos vitamin A, vitamin D3, B complex, and lysine. So, food supplement po siya. Tapos, ang nakalagay dito is lemon caramel yung flavor niya. Vitamin syrup, tapos it is enriched with fortified zinc, vitamin A. Let your child grow with CGF. Wow! So, only store at this temperature not exceeding 30 degrees Celsius away from direct sunlight. So, expiration ito is May pa naman, 2024. Tapos, open ko, pakita ko sa inyo, no? Ito yung itsura niya. Ayan. Para lang din siyang ascorbic acid, no? Vitamin C talaga para sa mga baby, no? Sa mga bata. So, nakalagay dito, children's 1 to 6 years, 1.5 teaspoon daily, so 2.5 ml po yun. Children na 7 to 12 years old, 1 teaspoon daily, 5 ml, or as recommended by physician. So, mas maganda po na recommended by physician. So, keep out of reach of children. So, no approved therapeutic claims, and yan. So, see? Ang amoy niya po is lemon caramel. Wow. For sure, magugustuhan to ng aming baby Aiden. Diba? So, thank you so much sa mga supplies ng food supplement, Novomed. Ayan. Next is, meron din sila pinadala na glutathione, guys. L-glutathione na may 500 milligrams. Theon Plus ito. Tapos may kasama siyang sodium ascorbate, 75 milligrams. So, it's 30 capsule food supplement. Tapos, take 1 capsule daily with meals. No? Kapag pregnant po or lactating women, consult a physician before taking this product. Okay? So, yung laman naman niya is, ganito siya. Ayan. So, may panibago na naman akong glutathione na capsule. So, I will show you. Very sealed siya. So, open ko to. Buksan ko. Pakita ko sa inyo yung laman ng capsule, no? Mismo, itsura ng capsule. Wait lang. Alright. So, yan. So, para hindi siya malaglag, no? Para hindi mabawasan yung capsule, no? Very, very sealed. Ayan. So, ito yung itsura niya. White lang siya talaga. Capsule. So, with meals. Pag-iinom kayo, pampaputi. And, of course, pampakinis ng face. Thank you. So, next naman po is yung moringa para sa parents ko, no? Iniinom ko ng mga senior, pwede rin naman po sa adults. So, ito. SQ Moringa, Moringa Oleifera Lam Malunggay, SQ Moringa, 500 milligrams naman po to, capsule food supplement. At ang paggamit naman po nito, although malunggay consumption is generally accepted as safe, however, this is not recommended for peptic ulcer patients, okay? So, for adult use only, not recommended for children, pregnant, or lactating women. So, take 2 capsules once a day, okay? So, May 2024 pa naman matatapos or may expire yung mga products nila. And, FDA approved po ito, manufactured by, of course, Life Square Laboratories Incorporated. O, diba? So, kanila itong moringa. So, ang itsura naman niya is mga 500 mg na capsule. O, diba? Knowing na malunggay, moringa is really best talaga for adults, no? Talagang healthy ito na nagpapaganda ng ating immune system. And it strengthens, hindi lang yan, no? Nakakaiwas talaga tayo sa mga sakit na possible na magkaroon tayo. So, ito ang food supplement daily ng mga adults. So, pwede kong ipa-try sa aking parents, di ba? Mas kailangan nila to. So, yun lamang po. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe para mas makita nyo iba't ibang products, collaborations, and thank you so much sa mga brands, sa Collab Media. Maraming salamat po for sending me this package. And of course, Novomed, thank you so much. And huwag niyo po kalimutan na mag-subscribe on my YouTube channel, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye! For more product reviews and agenda of the day, raw vlogs man yan, huwag niyo kalimutan na mag-subscribe, especially also to follow my TikTok kasi minsan doon po ako nagre-review ng mga products. See you! Bye! Thank you!
The next day.
Hello mga kachiching! Samahan nyo naman ako kasi magpa-pamper tayo for today at kasama ko ngayon si Ate Sue. Yes! And supportahan nyo po ang aking entry sa Hey Sugar Waxing Salon. Ayan. So, first time ko po na ipagawa ang aking kilay and ang aking pilik mata. So, makikita nyo po yung mga procedure, yung treatment na gagawin sa amin ng sister ko. So, pagpasok ko pa lang po, no, napakaganda na ng ambience, yung interior design mismo, very colorful. Tapos, nakaka-attract talaga siya ng customer. And yan, si Ate Sue, actually, hindi na niya first time na magpa-ayos ng kilay niya. But then, ako, lahat first time, kaya nakaka-excite na ibahagi ko rin po sa inyo ang aming experience dito sa Hey Sugar Waxing Salon. Ang branch po nito ay nakalocate sa SM Mega Mall, 5th floor. Enjoy watching! My very first time experience na magpa-eyelash perming. Mas prefer ko po siya compare sa mga eyelash extension kasi ang kagandahan dito sa perming, natural eyelashes mo tapos i-curl lang nila. And tumatagal ng 2 to 3 months. So compare dun sa fake eyelashes kasi there's a possibility na matanggal siya and hindi pumantay yung pagkakabit. So hindi siya maganda para sa akin, no? Kaya naman sinubukan ko first time is yung eyelash perming. Ngayon, ayan, so wala naman akong naramdamang sakit. Yun nga lang, natulog lang ako ng 1 oras pala siya. 1 hour siya. Tapos yun, nilalagyan ng gamot yung eyes ko every 15 minutes, 10 minutes, ganun. So maraming patong siya ng glue, ng pandikit para 'di ba, ma-curl na talaga yung aking eyelash. Kaya thank you kay Ma'am Liza. Siya yung nag-a-assist sa akin dito. Maraming salamat for the experience po.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got
At ito naman po yung eyebrow threading na tinatawag, no? Yung sinishape niya yung eyebrows mo, tapos pinapaganda niya, tinatanggal niya yung mga unwanted hairs, baby hairs sa ilalim ng eyebrows mo. So, first time ko siya, kaya saktan ako at first. And hopefully, sa susunod na pag-threading ko, hindi na siya masakit. Kasi para siyang nakakakiliti na medyo kurot, na maliliit, na parang kagat ng langgam. Ganun yung feeling niya. But, tolerable naman yung pain. So, after this, no, namula naman ng konti yung eyebrows ko. Pero, hindi naman ako nagkaroon ng allergy. So, very safe yung mga ginamit sa akin na thread. Talagang malinis ang pagkagawa ni Ma'am Liza.